Hello everyone, welcome to Tiny Solutions, and in this video I would like to share you how to export the data from the link module in DOORS by using the DXL script. Okay, as you know, in DOORS we have the link module, right? The link module, and in the link module it will manage a lot of link sets inside. Link sets mean you have the list of the links from module A to module B, for example. And you have a lot of link sets like this. Then somehow you have hundreds of, or you have thousands of the link sets. Then you need to analyze for analyzing purpose. Okay, for example, you want to know, okay, from how many link sets you have, or from which module you have the link set to which module, like that. Okay, then actually indoors you don't have any solution to export the link module for sure. Then that's why you need to use the DXL script to export all the data. Okay, then in this video I also prepared a small script for you, and I think it's easy to understand and it's very simple. Okay, then the first line, you need to declare the module M, then you need to open it, and this is the path of the link module. Okay, it's very easy. Then this is the object O. You need to declare the variable O as object. Okay, then we need a string, the temporary variable as string. Okay, then you need to have a loop. You here I will use the loop for on the object in the module. Okay, it means for on the object in the link module. Okay, back to this one. As you know, the link module you already know, this is M. Okay, then the object O is will be the link sets. Okay, O2. Okay, this is the link set 2. For example, you have the module D to module E, for example. Okay, or you have the module C to module A, for example. Okay, then for each link set you can imagine is one object in the link module. So that's why I applied the loop for on the object in the link module. It's easy to understand, right? Then now I will set the temporary variable. I just declare this one as a string because I just want the string, and I will print it here. Okay, you see. Now how I print the link set. It's easy. This is the object. For each object, okay, we will bring the source. Yeah. Then the target, and for the object source you need to use this one because you need to convert to string for sure. Then this one is also a string, and this one again is an object target. It means the target module. Okay, this is the source module, this is the target module in the link set. Then you also need to use this one for string to convert to string for sure. Then this one just you get a new line. Okay, after you bring the first one, the first link set, and it will create a new line. Actually, if you already familiar with DSL, okay, so actually this thing is easy for you to understand. But the thing is here, okay, you need to know we need to declare the module, the link module, the object, then we do the loop for on the object in the link module, then you call the source. Okay, this is will be the source module, this is the target. That's it. It's very simple, right? Yeah. You have the object, then this is the source module, this is the target module, source module, target module. That's it. Okay, for each object in the link module you will print. That's it. It's very easy. Okay, then I think that's enough for you now. Actually, with some lines here with a small script, you can easy to export the link module, because currently now indoors we don't have the solution, but we can use the DSL to export for yourself. Okay, then if you bring this one, you can it will be printed to the DSL interaction window of the DOORS. Okay, then so far if you want to print the list of all the link sets into the Excel file, okay, or something like that, okay, please follow me then to see the next video. In the next videos I would like to share you how to use the DXL to control the SL, how to get the values from SL, or how to put the value into the SL file. Yeah, it's very easy. Yeah, and that's it for the video today. Yeah, and thank you very much for watching. Then if you see it's useful for you, yeah, support me by one like, okay, then share the video, and remember to subscribe my channel for new videos. Okay, thank you and bye bye.